You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Karule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
I, Musiime Hilary, swear in the name of Almighty God that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Omujulizi ow'omwenda musango gw'okusaalimbira n'okwogera ebigambo ebigendera okutattanya erinnya ly'Omusumba Kayanja awadde obujulizi nga boogera okulaga abavunaanibwa nga bwe bawerezanga obubaka obutisatiisa Omusumba Robert Kayanja.
Hope you remember the video acts. Hope you remember the video acts they sent. Still have it. At 10:53, immediately after 1 minute, the exhibit user sent another message replying to the text that Musei sent. It states that, yeah, but these two boys are very sick. Yeah, for YA, but these two boys are very sick. Again, he sent another message. That is the exhibit user, stating that both Adrian and Jonathan. Sent another message saying both Adrian, ADRIAN, and Jonathan.
Omukugu mu kunoonyereza Gerald Musiime wa poliisi nga wa myaka 36 abulidde kkooti nti Regan Ssentongo, Adrian Ssebaale n'abalala wakati w'Emmeeyi ne Septemba omwaka 2021 bano baakozesanga essimu zaabwe ne baweereza obubaka obutisatiisa Omusumba Robert Kayanja era nti singa yali tabawadde ssente zaabwe ze baali bakoledde baali bagenda kolawo akatiisa. Omukugu era ayongedde okunnyonnyola nti Regan Ssentongo ne banne bano baali bakola ku faamu y'Omusumba Robert Kayanja ekiryandongo.
To be able to view the content, Your Worship, it required me to connect this device to a network, in a particular internet. And
so why didn't you connect
by
the device to internet for purposes of viewing?
As part of procedures in forensics, digital forensics in particular, I am not supposed to connect this gadget onto the internet.
Why?
Because it tampers with the integrity of the information on the what?
Baali bategeezezza nti baali bagenda kubanga battattanya erinnya lye singa yali tabasasudde. Omukugu ono ategeezezza kkooti nti obubaka bwonna bano bwe baaweerezanga bwayitanga ku WhatsApp group mu maloboozi ssaako n'ebifaananyi.
Yes, this is the same.
So which one is this? Is this the WhatsApp or the GD?
This is WhatsApp. Yes, please.
Great.
On 10th.
So, on 9th, the WhatsApp from BBS says, I want business, please.
Yes, please.
Proceed.
On 10th August 2021, Exhibit G again sent 3 messages. These.
Which form of messages?
There were 2 videos and 1 text. The videos, one contained a whitish cotton-like material, something or a substance red in color on it.
Alipoota eweereddwayo ng'ebizibiti eri kkooti okusooka esoose newakanizibwa bannamateeka abali ku ludda olwawaabirwa, kyokka ate oluvannyuma omulamuzi Adams Byalugaba ow'ekkooti eno asazeewo nti obujulizi obuweereddwayo bulina okukola ng'ebizibiti mu nteekateeka eno. Abawawaabirwa omuli Regan Ssentongo, Martin Kagolo ne Jamiru Monda bategeezezza nti ng'era abantu abatiisatiisa bakozesa emmotoka ekika kya Benzi. Omusango gwongezeddwayo okutuuka ng'ennaku z'omwezi 5 omwezi ogwa April.